What is going on, guys? It is Steven, your semi-comprehensive guide here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to upload your saved data to the cloud on PlayStation 5. There's nothing worse than losing all of your hard-earned saved data and game progress after spending days, weeks, or even months making it. Luckily for us, however, PlayStation 5 makes it easy to back up our saved data so we can sleep well at night knowing our hours of progress are safe in the cloud. We will need a PlayStation Plus account in order to perform the backup. Recently, Sony did change how PlayStation Plus works. There are different tiers to it now, but luckily for us, all tiers include the cloud storage for our saved data. So if you have a PlayStation Plus account, you are good to go. So let's set up the backup and sync our data. So start by heading up here to the settings menu, and then go all the way down here to saved data and game/app settings. The first option here will be saved data PlayStation 5. Head in here and you'll see three options: console storage, which allows us to upload data from our console to the cloud; cloud storage, which allows us to bring data down from the cloud to our console; and sync saved data, which allows us to sync the data that's on our console with the data that's in the cloud, as well as set up a schedule for backups. So starting here with console storage, if we head in here, you'll see a list of all the PlayStation 5 games that can have their saved data uploaded to the cloud. So just select the saved data you want backed up. So I'm going to select War Thunder here, and I'm going to select upload. It's going to calculate the time to perform that upload. It's going to let me know that autosync is turned on for this game. So essentially this upload is going to override whatever is in the cloud already. That's fine. If you have a sync schedule set up already, most likely the data is already in the cloud, but just for this video, I'm going to upload it again anyway. Select yes. Are we sure we want to overwrite? Yes, we do. And now that saved data is uploaded to the cloud. So if we were to lose our PlayStation 5, if it were to be set on fire or dunked in a pool or have some unfortunate event happen to it where we were to lose the PlayStation 5, if we got a new one, we could basically download that data we just uploaded from the cloud to our new PlayStation 5 console. So to do that, go back out here, down to the second option, cloud storage. Select that, and it'll give us a list of all the games we've backed up in the cloud, which are all of my games at the moment. So if I wanted to bring that War Thunder data back down to the console, I would select this and select download. It's once again going to tell me that I am overwriting data that is already on the console, but it's the same data, so I'm going to select yes. It's going to download it, and now that data is on my console. You can view the storage levels there on the right. So the cloud storage is virtually empty right now. Console storage is about a third of the way full. If we wanted to delete saved data for whatever reason, we can go up here to the delete option all the way at the top, and then we can select any one of these to delete from the cloud. I'm not going to do this now just because I like all my data in the cloud right now, but if you were running out of storage in the cloud, you could delete your data using this option here. You can go back out and go down to sync saved data. If we select this, it'll give us the option to auto sync our saved data. So when our PlayStation 5 is on or in rest mode, it'll sync the data on the console to the data in the cloud. So if it detects a change, it will perform that backup. So if we select it, it'll give us the option to enable auto sync there at the top. It also gives us the option to choose which games we want to auto sync. So if for whatever reason you did not want a backup for a game, you can uncheck it here, but all of these are all synced and good to go. Let's go back to the sync menu here. View sync status just allows us to see if the games are synced. So as you can see here, all of my data is synced and up to date. The actual date on them is a little bit older just because I have not played these games in a while, but these are the current versions and they are on the cloud right now. So that basically does it for the cloud backups of PlayStation 5 games. Now as a bonus, I know this is the PlayStation 5 saved data cloud upload video, but I'll just give you a rundown of the PlayStation 4 saved data as well. So back on the main saved data screen here, right below the PlayStation 5 saved data options are the PlayStation 4 saved data options. So the process for backing up and restoring PlayStation 4 saved data is very similar to the PlayStation 5 method. We once again have the console storage option, which allows us to go through the PlayStation 4 save data on our console currently, and we can then manually send it to the cloud to have it backed up. So just check the box of the data you want uploaded to the cloud and then select upload. Just select confirm or continue on all of the prompts it shows you here, and then the data will be on the cloud. To download it back to the console, go back to the PlayStation 4 save data screen, then go down to cloud storage, and then select the save data you want back on the console. Similar process to the PlayStation 5, just select the data and then select download. And there we go, we are all set. It is on our console. Lastly, let's go back and configure the sync settings. So go down to the bottom option, auto upload, and in here we can either turn it on for all the games listed here, or we can go one by one and select which games we want backed up to the cloud. That about does it for this tutorial. That's how you sync up your data and how to access it on your PlayStation 5. If you are backing up the PlayStation 4 data, you can also access it on a PS4 if you have both. But yeah, process is very simple. Keep in mind that saved data backups are different than actual game backups. The saved data is just the progress you've made in the game, or any settings or features you've applied and configured. The actual game itself will not be backed up in the cloud because that can be downloaded from the PlayStation Store if you've purchased it at any time. So if you were to lose your PlayStation 5 or all of your data were to be lost, simply just sign into the PlayStation account that had the games, download them from the store, and then if you wanted to get that saved data back, then follow this process to sync up your settings, sync up your progress, and everything else that you've done in the game. So that about does it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you really love my content. If you'd like to see another tutorial on the PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X/S, PC, Nintendo Switch, really anything at this point, leave a comment down below and I'll make a tutorial about it. Other than that, I've been Steven, your semi-comprehensive guide, and be sure to have a wonderful rest of your day.